Okay guys, so I just received my new chair. So, just got it from Amazon just a couple days ago. And we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing and review. So let's get to that. Alrighty, so I built this desk. The reason I got this chair is because I built this desk right here, and it's as like a space where I can kind of do my stuff, my crafting, my business stuff, my computers here, work at home computer, and my old chair. And when I was sitting on this chair, it was just a little too short. So, alrighty, so let's get to it here. Let me set you guys down. Alrighty. And so this is a drafting chair. Pretty much what a drafting chair is a chair that sits taller because I need it for the desk since I made it so tall. Okay, so we have, it looks like the foot ring is in this box. Looks like the rest of it will be in this box. Okay, so let's bring these boxes up here. I'm hoping that you guys can see all of this as we undo it. Just a little bit higher. Okay. I would assume this is just the ring part. Bottom of the chair. And it is. So it looks like everything else is going to be in that other box. So let's start with that other box first. Okay. And then let's open these. It does say to not cut. I'm assuming down the center of this. So I'm going to cut the edges. It'll be safe to cut this just a little bit. Alrighty. Open here. Neatly packaged, which is always very nice. I'm gonna move this to the floor so we have more space. Okay. We got a seat cushion. Guessing this is the back of the chair. Maybe some instructions. I think some instructions. Let's do the side. This away. And then the wheelbase. And we have wheels in here. And we also have a whole bunch of stuff in there, which will probably be everything I need to get this thing going. So, let's start. Yes, these are instructions, a little warranty paper. Alrighty. So, there's the knife, there we go. You want to be careful when you're cutting into the package so you don't scratch anything. I mean, for me, I don't care because, let's face it, I'm in the garage. I mean, I'm not getting any classier than that. So, okay. So it looks like we're going to connect this to the bottom of the wheel. best to push in and to use a mallet if needed. So, let me set this flat on my desk. I guess it just kind of pops in there. Well, I'm guessing from the weight of anybody, it's just going to sit in there. So that's popped in there. Doesn't look like it's moving, so that's great. Super simple. Number 2 is applying the back of the chair to this piece here. It looks like the adjuster piece. So let's go ahead and pull this out. I'm going to move this to the side because I don't think we need it right now. There's the back of the chair. And hopefully you guys can still all see this. And it's all nice and focused for you, hopefully. Let's hope. Fingers crossed. Okay. So you're just moving this out and it will be placed. Let's see the way that's. There's a little arrow here, so this is how it's going to be placed, like this from the looks of the diagram. So it's just going to be placed in here. That doesn't seem right. And that's because it's not. Okay, so it's going to be placed into here. To adjust the back and front of the wheel, which makes actually quite a lot of sense. Let's get that screwed in there. There we go. Just gonna tighten this up right here. And now mine didn't come with the rest, the armrests, because that's not what I needed. So it's just okay, guys. I'm confused. I put that in there, but oh, duh. That is the right way. Because the seat is obviously I was trying to put it backwards. So the seat is not obviously going to sit backwards. It will sit this way. So, which I don't understand why you would put this in first. That doesn't make sense to me. It makes more sense to attach this to here and then slide it into the place that it needs to be. That just makes more sense. I don't know why they would have number 2 listed like that. Anyway, so we're gonna alter the instructions here. And it only comes with so many screws, so that's kind of nice and neat. I'm hoping I'm going to do this right. I think I am. I think I'm not. I don't know anymore. Does it say? That is the front. Okay, that's the front. Yeah, but see in this diagram, it's showing it backwards. Which makes sense, I think. So I'm going to do it this way. And I might have just confused myself. Or it might be the instructions. Or who knows, maybe it's 50-50. I don't know. We're just going to go with this. these in. I'm going to get my drill really quick just to make this go a little bit faster. I mean, these don't have to be too tight, and you don't want to strip the screw like I just did, because you're not going to really be playing around with them that much. So then this is going to go right in here, and it kind of sits like this. It just makes more sense to do it this way than the way that I was showing in that diagram. And I mean, I could have been doing it wrong, of course. So you put it there. And then literally, let's go ahead and put these wheels on. And then it literally just sits on top of that. It sits on top of this right here. And that's pretty much how you do it. I guess I should have put on the wheels first. Might have been easier. Clean up as we go here. Okay, that's pretty simple. It's got a nice roll to it. And from what I'm seeing, this is just gonna step onto that. And that's pretty much how you do it, you guys. Just overlooking the instructions to make sure I did not miss anything. Doesn't look like I did. And so, let's see here. So there it is. There's the chair. Definitely sits a little bit higher than the other one, which is what I needed. So that's perfect for me. And so, let's sit down on this thing and see what we think. And I'm hoping we like it, because if not, then it was a purchase for nothing type of thing. Okay. Perfect. So now I can sit up at my desk, and hopefully you guys, oops, can see me. I just slammed into the desk. And so yeah, it's perfect. It rolls around. I like the feel of it. It sits just perfectly for what I need for this desk, and this desk is 3 feet tall, so it is a little taller than a normal size desk. So that's why I got the drafting chair. And you know what I didn't put on there is the brace for the center of it, and I just don't think I need it because I don't really put my feet on that, which is this right here. Well, I hope that recorded, because I made it sound and it went away. So, okay. So that's how, like I said, if you're new to this channel, I do product reviews of items that I use around my garage. And I do it for my crafting and my Etsy shop. So these are all tools that I use every single day. With this chair, overall review, it's comfortable. It was pretty affordable compared to everything else that was out there, and it just sits a little bit taller, which is exactly what I need for my desk. So I would definitely give the seat maybe, I don't know, I guess an A, because it's practical, it's cheap, it's nothing fancy, there's no looks to it, so it's pretty okay for me. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one.